Hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can set home page on your WordPress website. This is WordPress website. Okay, now showing the just blog page, and if you want to change the your home page, for example, I make new page. This is the home page. Let me see what the content this page. Also this one just blog. Okay, I make new page for home page. Okay, home content. All right, you see this current home page, and now I just change the new home page. If you want to change the home page, then you should go to settings, then there in showing some information. If you want to change the home page, then you should click on reading, then here in showing the option like home page display, then you select here, then you can choose which one you want to just home page. Then I select home page. All right, then save and change. Then now I open the new tab. This is the test content. Before this is the home page. You see, that is the home content. That's it. But this is the simple design. But if you make new website and new design, then you should work as a development, or also you can hire someone, then he can manage your design. Alright, I just show you how you can change your home page. Then you can choose there in 4 page. If you make more page, then there will become new page. That's it, and easy. Thank you so much.